Okay, 2 hours later, we've got the cord unraveled. There's the guy that's going to detonate it, or whatever you call it. So here we go. But I got to be able to try to track it. That's as far as you can go. That's the wire. All right, let's do this.
You want to do a countdown? Yeah. Ready? 5.
It's not firing.
4.
No, I already clicked the button.
3.
You already pushed the button.
Yeah, I already pushed the button. It's not working.
Hold up, technical difficulties. You got a battery?
I put the battery in there.
Sure sounds like there's a whole lot of room for a battery to be in there. Is it just one battery?
It's just one battery connected to it.
Does it light up?
It's supposed to have the safety key.
Oh.
Oh.
All right. We got it figured out. All right. Just didn't push the pin down far enough.
We didn't push it down far enough?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, contact. Holy poop.
Yeah.
I have no idea where it went.
I see it. It's
Oh.
coming. Oh, now where'd it go? Oh, it's drifting. It's going towards the street. No, it's drifting. Oh. We'll
I'm-
get it.
I'm blind.
Now where'd it go?
Yeah.
Right there, I'm seeing it.
Can you see it? I can't.
I see it. Well, it's gonna go clear for. Oh my God, it's gone. Oh, no, there it is.
What?
Oh, it's gonna land on this side.
Now
There it is. It's right there.
no, it was up in the dark cloud. It's I
Isn't
keep
that it?
no.
Something just landed over there.
That was the
Oh,
fuel thing.
Holy moly. We'll tune in again when we figure this out.